Alright guys, check it out. Remember this car? This is our parts car. 2021 up to 2024 Honda Civic. This is like a 10th gen or something like that, or 11th gen. I'm not exactly sure. So this is what it looked like, a parts car. There's no way to survive this. There's no way to repair this. So it's just a parts car. You can salvage the two doors on this side. Same thing on the other side. The engine is running. You can see that this thing drove and drive. So we salvaged a whole bunch of parts for the another Civic, the 2024, and that one passed inspection. Everything is good. It's up on the market now for sale. So on this video right here, we're gonna strip some parts out. We're gonna take out the two doors on this side, two doors on the other side. The seats, the fender is out, a little bit of a dash is all scattered. Look at that. We're gonna take a little bit out right here and there, back seat as well. So let's get started. All right, hopefully this start. Let's see. We get the cluster on there. We get the push start button right here. Here we go. Nope. Check battery. Yeah, battery is negative, is out. Let's put this back. Got the spark right there. I hate that. There you go. We get the negative battery. We get the light. All right, we get the key. We get the light right there. Let's go. Nope. Nothing. And I know that I've seen this before and I've been doing it for a while. If you take out the negative battery and it doesn't start, press the brake, push start, nothing. You have to get your fob really close here. This is how you start your engine if you disconnect the negative battery. So you get too close in there and then just push it. Almost. Try it again. See? And I use my finger because it's away. It doesn't start. You have to use this to get closer. There we go. Yes. That was about 4 or 5 try to get that thing cranked. We just need to get the fob close to the push button start, and then 4 or 5 try, it should start. All right, let's bring this to the garage. Man, look at those lights, bunch of Christmas trees lights right there. Lots of sensors just lighting it up. You can see that the impact bar is out, the bumper, the headlight is out, the rebar, the rad support. This is just the rad is loose. The intercooler is out. So we use all that to the other vehicle. So you can see, man, this vehicle is mint. Look at that body, except the trunk. So you know how it is. We don't like to toss anything out. We like to salvage them, save them up for the next project. You notice Honda Prelude wheels right there. It fit. Honda Prelude wheels, 5th gen Prelude. Missing some lug nuts, but it's all right. All right, inside the Honda Civic, we'll take out this headliner out. Show you how to do that. and then the side curtain airbag right here, and I'll show you how to do that. Take those out. Okay. Sunroof, headliner. No sunglasses. Too bad. And not gonna take out steering wheel or steering column. I'm gonna leave that last. Same thing with the seats and the shifter. We'll leave that last. Center console is out already. I have a video on that. Center console. This one right here with the compartment, there's just 2 bolts in the front and 2 bolts in the back. All right, just gonna do a quick tear down on this. Show you how to take out the door panel. Not a fully DIY. Just gonna pinpoint where do you take them out. Same thing with the rocker here. Rocker plastic cover. I show you how to take those out. You can salvage all this stuff later on. If everything is all stripped in pieces, we're gonna do the battery, the engine, and transmission. We'll drop the engine out of the vehicle and then put it on the side over there. Put a price tag on it. The cradle as well. We'll take those out. There's some Civics out there with frame damage, and this will get smacked and this will get bent. So this stuff right here, we're gonna salvage this. We're just gonna, it looks like it's not rivet, but it's tack weld, so you have to drill this tiny little holes right here to save this outer piece right here. This thing is still good. The front end of this thing is mint. No damage in the front end. Okay, so driver door right there. We'll take out the door panel, the whole door, the hinge right there. We'll take those out. The rocker panel on this side, we'll take those out. We'll jack it up the back. And the back door, pretty easy. Take out those door panel. Same thing here. We're gonna, this is all garbage. We're gonna toss some of this out. The seats, back seats. There's the right fender. So yeah, look at this. I was thinking of saw all this thing out, you know, cut it out so it doesn't look silly and ugly like that. Just take out the trunk, just cut it, you know. This probably is still good. Tail light, this side is good. This tail light is nice. The roof is nice, no dent, no hail. You know, we could salvage that roof. Oh wow, look at this. The drip rails, it looks like it's part of the upper side panels. Jesus Christ. So if you want to take out the roof, it's part of this whole thing. Anyways, all right, so let's get to it. Let's start with the door and then we'll work on the interior.